Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful feature on Messenger: how to invite a member to become an admin in your group chat. Whether you're managing a community, organizing an event, or just want to share admin duties with a trusted friend, this updated guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and head straight to the group chat where you want to add a new admin. This is the chat where you and your friends or colleagues are already connected. Once you're inside the group, look at the top of the screen and tap on the group name or the profile icons. This will open the group details page, where you can see all the settings and members. Next, find and tap on See Members. This option shows you a list of everyone who's part of the group. It's here that you can manage roles and permissions. Scroll through the list and tap on the name of the person you want to invite as an admin. This will bring up their profile and a set of options related to their role in the group. Now, look for the Invite as Admin button and tap it. This sends an invitation to that member, giving them admin privileges once they accept. Admins have the ability to manage group settings, add or remove members, and keep the group running smoothly. It's a great way to share responsibilities and keep your group organized. And that's it. You've successfully invited someone to be an admin in your Messenger group. This updated method is quick, easy, and helps you keep your group chat under control with trusted members by your side. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your favorite apps. See you next time.